Hey viewers, okay, so we popped the battery in. We're connecting the cables. These are the kind of strange um, cable connectors where they're flat and the tightening bolt is sticking straight up. A lot of them they're out the side or the side mount. This is still the old top mount battery. So it's basically put the connector on there and press it down. Some people would bang on it a little bit, but just twist it down as best as you can get it, and then tighten this bolt right there, that bolt right there. This is a 10 millimeter socket. Tighten it until, don't get red face tight, just tighten it until it's beyond snug a little bit. Same with the negative, which is black, 0 volts, ground, same thing. And there we go. That's in. Car should start. After I start the car, I'm going to measure voltage and make sure the alternator is charging this battery. The first voltage was 12.6, the battery just sitting there. Now it's going to be a little lower because it's draw on the battery. But I will start it, measure the voltage, should be around 13.5 or 14.